In this video, I'm going to explain what a cap is. So for this diagram, you have the low temperatures over on the left and the high temperatures on the right. So the more this line goes to the left, the colder the temperature is getting. And the higher up this line goes, the higher up in the atmosphere it is. So this point would represent low temperature because it's on the left side of my scale. And it would also represent the air that's higher up in the atmosphere because that point is pretty high up. Generally, temperatures get colder as you go higher up in the atmosphere. But here you can see that the temperatures start high, but then they get even higher before getting lower. And so that little nub right there causes the air to not be able to rise up. This is because air that's warmer than its surrounding air rises, which is where the saying hot air rises comes from. In this picture, each layer represents the temperature in that layer. So in the pink layer, the air there is pretty warm. And then in the red layer, the air is even warmer, so it's hot air. And then in the blue layer, it's the coldest air. So that red layer, or that hot air, causes the air at the surface, or that pink layer, to not be able to rise, because that pink air, or air at the surface, is no longer the hottest air when it's in the red layer. So that red, or hot air layer, is the reason that a cap exists. That's the cap. It causes the air to not be able to rise, which that lack of lift causes thunderstorms to not be able to form.